Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies. Now, when you look at me, what do you think? Licensed contractor with over 30 years experience. Exactly. Very good. So what better person to be tasked with finally renovating our studio than me? So just sit back and relax and watch as I finally turn this dull, drab studio into something that even Capitol Records would be jealous of. Whoa! Screw it, I'll just get Angela to pay someone to finish this. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed watching me sustain multiple injuries, but hopefully we can get this studio done soon and we can get back to providing you A-quality content. So thank you very much for watching. Be sure to follow us on all our socials, including TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until the next one, adios. Ow, 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 ow.